How to make a loading bar in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you um, the way to actually create a loading bar in Canva, and then you can obviously feel free to customize it to your liking and make it your own. So it is actually very simple. It could be complicated if you have not done this before, but it is quite simple. And if you think about it, it's really easy. So first, to start, you will need to just go ahead and add a video design, which is going to be a blank video design. So just click on video, and then we can just set up a custom size. And I'm just going to go for this one, just for the sake of this video. Obviously, you would want to select a size that is, that you actually want here. And once you're in this, we can just go ahead and get started by adding a few elements here. So you want to just go ahead and go to elements, and you want to add shapes. So I'm just going to add this square shape here. So just go ahead and click on that. And then you want to make this as the background bar. So this is going to be the, you could say the empty loading bar. And then we are just going to create another bar, which is going to be the one that fills up this empty bar. Hopefully that makes sense. I'm just going to go to border here. First of all, click on it and then just go to border, and you want to just create a border for it. The width or the weight of the border is completely up to your preference. I'm just going to leave it like that. And then the color, it can actually be colorful. You can make it empty. It's completely up to you. For me, I'm just going to remove the color for it. So, it's going to actually have a transparent background. Now, again, I'm not going to focus too much on the design. I'm just going to focus on creating it for you. And then the design aspect is going to be however you actually like it to be. Now you want to basically duplicate this, so just go ahead and click on it, and then you would want to duplicate it. This time, we actually want to fill it up with a color. This is going to be the actual loading, so we can just go ahead and make it yellow. If you want to remove the border, which I highly suggest, you can feel free to do so as well. And then we can just go ahead and align it like so. And basically, what we want to do is actually we want to move it outwards. So we want to make it as close as possible to this bar. And now we want to basically animate this so that it moves like so. Okay, once it actually moves like so, it's actually going to be an animation. So we want to basically animate it. So to do so, you want to just again, first make it as close as possible here. And then you want to just click on animate after you have selected it. And then you want to click on the tools, create an animation. And then from here, you want to basically hold shift and move it to the right side. If you want it to be a little bit slower, feel free to do so. Like for example, a few pauses, and then it's actually going to be a little bit speedy. Pause, move it again, and just try to create that effect. Now it did not complete for me. I believe I just let go of it. But regardless, I'm just going to leave it as it is and click on done here. So once I have done that, actually, did it not say? I think it did not save. Actually, it did save. You can actually view it from the top right. I did make it a little bit smaller, the other side here, just by dragging that, obviously. And basically, we are pretty much set. The only thing left for us to do is obviously first complete the actual animation, because I did not complete it. But then also cover up this side, because we don't want that part sticking out. To cover it up, you want to basically just get another square here. You want to color it the same color as the background. So hopefully your background is, a solid color. And then you want to basically align it like so. And we are pretty much set. We can actually go ahead and view this, and it's going to look a little something like this. So you can see the edges a little off, so we can just try to make it so that it does not touch the edge. And then we can actually see it's pretty much a loading bar that we want. So this is pretty much how to do it. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful, or one way to do it. Like I said, when it comes to design wise, you can feel free to do however you like. But yeah, it's completely up to you. Hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.